Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. The first one again for this week. So we're going to cover the usual suspects on a little bit higher time frame, just to try and get an overall view of what we should be expecting this week. And then we can start to narrow it down on some smaller time frames and see where we can sort of be looking for entries day to day. But firstly, as always, we'll jump over on the economic calendar over here. And to start off the day, Tuesday, we have nothing much to go on in the London session, but here in the New York session, right at the start there, we do have the core retail sales for the USD pairs coming out month on month. So we do need to be aware of that. Could cause a little bit of volatility at the start of the New York session. So if you are trading today, especially around that New York Open, please be aware and also manage your risk accordingly. So basically over on to the Dixie at the moment. Now we're on a daily chart here. We can see here that we've had this big pull down, sort of a bit of an accumulation area down here. We accumulated in this area, wicked out the bottom, and we've since just been grinding up. Now we've hit the 50% of the range. We had a knockback, but again, we're starting to grind back up again. So what could we be looking for here? Well, we do have this daily imbalance up here that we could see be looking for to come and fill, as well as some higher target areas up here that we could also be interested in as well. So basically at this point in time, still expecting a bit of a climb upwards from a daily time frame point of view. Now come down to the 4 hour, we can start doing a bit of an analysis. So we have had this pullback, but then we've come up, broken all these structures and pulled up. We have left a lot of imbalance here in this 4 hour candle. Something to think about. We may have to push down into this area, fill some imbalance before going long. So let's go down to the 15-minute time frame, have a bit of a look. So yesterday, so we can see here, this is Thursday last week, pulled up. Then we had Friday. Friday sort of accumulated a little bit here, just had this really grinding Asian session, pulled down, and then obviously took on up. And it has since pretty well the close, around the close there, it has pretty well just ground its way down since. So basically looking for probably a continuation of this grind to come back down here and fill out this imbalance down here. Would love to see that. Yeah, we can have a look at the fib here. We haven't quite hit the 50%. And then down here, bang on that 702 to the 786 is right in that imbalance area. So we'd definitely love to see it target here to then look at going long for the rest of the week. So basically for today, just looking to see if we can't get that break downwards, targeting down to these lower areas. So whether that be a little bit imbalance here, so we could actually see a possible pull up into this area before going low, or we automatically just see a breakdown coming down to that area. But basically that's what I would be looking for, coming down to target this area before going up. 4 hour on the euro. So 4 hour on the euro again looks pretty much the same. Let's go out on a daily. So we can see here we've been grinding up on a daily for so long now. I've had this big old pullback, and we've kind of been anticipating that we may see a little bit of a reversal out of here. Obviously the last week or so we did actually break this high through here. We did break this daily high, and we have had this pullback here now. So coming down onto the 4 hour, understanding that we obviously broke that high on the Thursday, and then we had this big old drop down, big flush of liquidity through there. Looking for now, are we going to, after having this break, are we going to have that pullback and then go long, or are we going to continue just to drop from this area? Now, based on our analysis on the DXY, it would, obviously, if we're expecting the Dixie to go up, we're obviously anticipating that the euro is going to be losing some strength. So basically what we're looking for here is, again, we've got this imbalance area here on the 4-hour chart. We've got a little bit here that's left to be filled, but a big amount of imbalance here to be filled. Coming down on the 15-minute. This is where I've marked out that imbalance area. We've got that big imbalance area right there. So basically looking for today that we're probably going to go up and target that area or go towards that area. So we do have a little bit of a thrust candles, a couple of thrust candles here pushing up from Tuesday last week. No, sorry, from yesterday's price action. Sorry, from yesterday's price action. So basically now what we're looking for is, are we going to come back down and target this area before going long? So would we see a pull down to go long, or are we just going to see a straight march up towards that area? That's basically what we're looking for at the moment, is what's how are we going to get back up into this area before possibly selling off. GU. So looking at GU, we'll jump out on the daily. Again, GU, same thing. We've had this big march up, big knockback, taking out that daily structure in a couple of areas there. So are we going to see this pull back to go short, or are we going to see a grind up? Coming down here on this lower area here, we can see here again, break of structure, pull back down. So is this going to be the initiation of our long way up into here before obviously tanking, or are we going to see it continue to drop down further? This is what we're trying to work out here at the moment. Down here on the 4-hour, again, that's the high. We had the thrust that come back down through the high. We have filled this big area here. Now we have obviously got imbalance through here and imbalance through here on a 4-hour time frame. Jumping down on a 15-minute, we can obviously refine those. So there's our 15-minute imbalance there, and that area there has been pretty well covered on a 15-minute time frame. So again, exactly the same thing. Looking for that this little area here of imbalance as well. Could see this pull down to go up and work out from there, or we see a break retest up into that area. So anyway, that's my analysis for today, guys. Again, if you're going to be trading the markets, obviously trade with your plan and manage your risk accordingly. And I'll see you again on tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.